The greatest achievement in life is to stand up again after failing. Yes, JP! How about another? Hold on. See? Sometimes you have to fail to succeed. That's what I say all the time. Holy macaroni. How excited!
Oh, hippo out of the water to the right.
Back to Animal Kingdom. Let's see if JP actually gets through the turnstile though. Thank you. It was, he got through. It's only Hollywood Studios you have problems with.
Yeah.
How strange. Starbucks as one does in Animal Kingdom, and look what JP's just brought out. Holy macaroni. How exciting! The man is back himself with our frappuccino. Give us some energy and this naughty little, what is it? Wow! Oh my god. Hang on. And the cake, shall we? That was lush. Oh yeah.
No, but can I take them home? Why not?
No, you cannot take it.
Oh, hello. Oh, look at you. I didn't know you lived here. Oh, is that where's my food? Maybe, but not. We're so saying if we ever been down here. Oh, what's in here? Porcupine. Oh wow, look, it's in there.
Got a bit of road rage going on.
JP, no JP. Safari ride. We have a fast pass. Thank you.
Bags and backpacks, you're welcome to set those on the floor by your feet. If you're holding on to loose items, please hold on to them tightly. I cannot stop for anything that falls out of the vehicle. They've been nicknamed the ghost of the forest. They're known for being shy and rarely seen. While the tan antelope to the left are called greater kudu. Greater kudu are Africa's second tallest antelope on the road. Oh, hippo out of the water to the right. He's doing the hippo equivalent to raiding the refrigerator at midnight. They will come out and get a snack and then head back into the water and go right back to sleep, at least till the sun goes down. Pretty mobile out of the water, by the way. Hippos can run at 20 miles an hour and turn on a dime. They subconsciously rise and breathe. Dolphins actually have to wake up. Got a little bit of reading going on there. To our left protector eland. The one laying down is the male. Then there's a female back on the hill, female closer to us, and a baby eland. The baby eland's a little boy. He's about 5 months old. Eland are Africa's largest antelope. That male stands about 6 feet tall at the shoulder and weighs about 2,000 pounds. It's about twice the size of the girls. The Maasai giraffe. They're one of 9 different types of giraffe found throughout Africa. The Maasai are known for mama giraffe coming up on our left.
Look at this.
I think the rest of them are tucked in the bushes back here, but I've got monkeys called mandrills. Mandrills are Africa's largest monkey. The males can weigh about 100 pounds. Mandrills are omnivores.
Oh, he's a baby.
They'll eat just about anything. Plants, bugs, small animals if they can catch them. Since both the boys and the girls grow tusks, with Asian elephants, only the boys. Now there she is between the rocks and the baobab tree. This is her baby up here. Baby's a little girl. She's about 3 years old, weighs just shy of 2,000 pounds. Mom weighs 7,000 pounds. She's got a long ways to go. White rhinos can weigh over 5,000 pounds, run at 35 miles an hour, and tend to be social, living in herds called crash. Cooler, easier to sneak up on your food in the dark, plus they've got really good night vision. The girls will do most of the hunting for the pride, but the male's main job is that of protector. Not a lot of animals will mess around with their feathers to have that oil on them unless they're a water bird. So what they'll do is they'll get in sand or really loose dirt and throw it up on their back, and then when they stand up and shake it all off, all the oils go off with it.
Thank you. That's around the corner.
Isn't it pretty?
So you don't get past all the attractions, but you do get to the ride quicker. And then you still come to the queuing area. 9 and 10, up the stairs we go. That's the problem when you're a party of 2. You're always on the ends. Never mind, still a good ride.
All systems engaged.
Oh no, we're not on the end. We're in the middle.
In the middle of the side.
Yeah.
Great! Welcome to the Avatar program. Like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Almost. Yes, got 'em. Now, let's find you your Avatar matches.
Okay, we are on our way to Yak and Yeti restaurant. Yak and Yeti is where we are eating. In goes JP.
Hey, what happened?
I knock you out all the time. So yeah, so we see, I don't really like spicy. Well, I do like spicy, but I can't eat spicy. And I'm not really a noodly person. You are. I'm not a ramen. You are. I don't like soup. You do.
Ramen is soup.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So we can see what I find that I like. I'm not a fussy eater, by the way. I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. See you in a minute. Try my ears.
And cut.
Okay, stay there. I knock you out all the time. So yeah, so we see, I don't really like spicy. Well, I do like spicy, but I can't eat spicy. And I'm not really a noodly person. You are. I'm not a ramen. You are. I don't like soup. You do.
ramen is soup.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So we can see what I find that I like. I'm not a fussy eater, by the way. I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. See you in a minute. Try my ears. Cool.
Have you guys been here before?
No.
About that today?
Yeah.
Just so that, sorry, just so that you guys know, the bathrooms are only going to be downstairs. They're going to be right underneath that green.
Okay.
Have you guys done Avatar yet?
Yeah. Amazing. Love that ride.
Yeah. Did you guys go over to Hollywood Studios yet on
Yes.
your trip? Did you guys try the
Rise of the Resistance. Yeah.
That was cool too.
I know. Yeah. Have you not done that?
We're blocked out. We
Wow.
usually get like a exclusive, you know, all
Yeah.
They did it for the first Star Wars ride, but not this one. And then on top of this, they blocked us out until like May. So it's like we have to wait until
Awful. Oh, bless you. Thank you so much. We just had a little move. We're now sitting out here. So on the menu we have got
Some good stuff. So small plates, shareable, so these are for 2 and more people. Soups and salads, noodles, yum.
So I think what we're going to do, we're going to share
Dim sum basket.
dim sum basket.
And then the,
We're going to have a salad as well, aren't we?
I think it was the Asian web salad,
Yeah, with the
salad,
pork belly.
but with the grilled chicken.
Yeah, the grilled chicken, salad.
But with no blue cheese, normal cheese.
Yeah.
And then it was either going to be
Burger.
a Kobe beef burger or a Beyond burger.
Beyond burger. You get beef if you want beef. Have some pictures. Dragon roll bowl. Spicy tuna, dynamite crab, teriyaki salmon, cucumbers, edamame, carrots, mango, tempura crunch over sushi rice. No, JP, you'd have to eat that one on your own.
Oh, it's tuna, sorry.
Yeah. No, there's the tuna above it.
Teriyaki.
No, no. Korean beef bowl looks quite nice. I love a picture.
Korean beef bowl.
Okay, so we have our dim sum. Oh wow. And then we have our salad and the blue cheese on the side, which we asked for because yeah, and some chicken. Looks gorgeous. These look amazing. We're gonna eat those first. Okay, if you're a dim sum fan, amazing. Delicious, gorgeous, phenomenal. Everything, all the tastes are on point. So I must say, it is really nice in here. It's freezing cold. I've put my jumper on. It's really chilly. I mean, it's really hot outside. It's like in the 80s, but in here, in this section, very chilly. Bring a jumper. Food is delicious.
Your favourite kind?
Yeah.
Asian iceberg. Do you want me to put it up on my phone?
No. So the Asian iceberg chicken, that's what it's called, with belly pork. The chicken is very beautifully char grilled and succulent. Not chewy, not spicy, just very char grilled taste. Fresh salad. I like dressing. You can't even really taste the dressing, can you? But it's not dry. It's not like a dry salad. It's a juicy salad. And then here's our gorgeous burger with some fries, a little bit more salad. Let's try this sauce. Good. Beautiful. This whole food is delicious. Update. So salad, really good. As I said before, this sauce that came with our burger, really nice, like a baconaise sauce. Burger, I know mine looks a little bit very salty burger. If you like salty burgers, did you like it, babe?
It's really quite salty. It's alright. But it is really salty.
Really salty, but overall dinner though, delicious. Okay, so my review of Yak and Yeti. Starters with dim sum, on point. Salad, crispy light, fresh, chicken, char grilled, fabulous. Burger, too salty, I have to give it JP. And then the skinny little fries that you get, these little fries, let's see, they go cold quite quickly and then they go really hard to eat, chewy, in my opinion. But the baconaise sauce, delicious. And then you've got these little cucumbers.
Cucumber kimchi.
Lovely, beautiful. Ambience.
Straw is nice.
Asian straw.
Asian straw is really, really nice.
And the ambience, lovely, bit chilly, very cold. Lots of people sitting in here with Jackie sauce. Oh, but overall, really good. I think we'll see what the price is for dinner, share that with you. But I would come back again.
Yeah. Oh, 100%. I would have noodles.
You know what? It's good. Hope you enjoyed our little review. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, notification bell. Let us know down below if you've eaten here before, what menu items you had, what you like, didn't like. What you got?
Fortune cookie.
Ooh! Fortune cookie. Bye. See you later. Am I going the right way? The greatest achievement in life is to stand up again after failing. Yes, JP! How about another... Hold on. See? Sometimes you have to fail to succeed. That's what I say all the time. The greatest achievement in life is to stand up again after failing. Yes, JP! How about another... Hold on. See? Sometimes you have to fail to succeed. That's what I say all the time. Okay, mine says, the greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do. Hell yeah, hell to the H to the E-L-O. And then, how, second food. Yeah, okay. We're exiting Animal Kingdom through Rainforest Cafe. I like exiting this way. That's it, that's us done for Animal Kingdom today. We're now jumping on a transportation, probably go back to the hotel. Back to the hotel and then over to Epcot.
Yep, go around
Unless
the
you can get a bus to Epcot from here.
No, I don't
think you can.
You can. We'll check the thing, but I think you have to go back to our hotel to then go. But hey, our hotel's real quick. So, check it.
So you can go straight there. Epcot, number 3. So we're going to jump on number 3. How cool!
I don't think you ever used to be able to, did you?
No, I don't know. Did you ever used to be able to park hop from Parks, guys? Comments below, please. I'm sure you did. We just didn't know it.